coming to you from my laundry room. I want to show you why I'm saving these used dryer sheets. These really are handy, and I'm going to show you several ways to repurpose them after you've used them in the dryer. They still smell good. So walk with me through my house and I will show you what I do with these used dryer sheets. See how the top of my baseboards are really dirty? I'm not even sure what that is or how long it's been there, but what I'm going to do is, Coco wants to be a part of this. You want to be in the video? Okay, I got my dryer sheets just a little bit wet, not drippy wet, just a little bit damp. The thing about dryer sheets is they're kind of like sandpaper, like fine sandpaper. They're not going to scratch the paint off, but they're abrasive. So I'm going to try and get this brown gunk off. Look at that. Not only does it work for dust, but look at that. Let's try it again over here. Here we go on the other side. Look at that. I mean, hardly any elbow grease at all. I'm just giving it a light rub, and look at all of that. Look how much better the top of that baseboard looks. Wow, that took a few seconds and it made a huge difference. Okay, now I'm in the bathroom, and this is where I go crazy with the used dryer sheets because there's so many uses. Can you see how splotchy this mirror is? So I'm going to take one of my used dryer sheets, get it a little bit wet. I'm going to go over this. But we also have well water, so we have a lot of minerals in our water, so it leaves hard watermarks. Okay, still streaky, right? Well, now I'm going to take a microfiber cloth. I get these in bulk on Amazon. They're really cheap. I'm talking like 40 cents a piece. And you're not supposed to wash them with fabric softener, but I do. So they might not work quite as well, but look at that. So all those hard watermarks would have been really hard to get off, but the abrasive dryer sheet gave me a really good head start. And I don't know if you can see how sparkling clean that is, but that's the mirror. You can also do this. I have dogs, and they go and look out the window, and then I have little slobber and wet nose marks. So this works really well for that. Just wipe the window off and then follow it with a microfiber cloth. Okay, now we have hard water stain on the faucet. So on any chrome, you can use these. So that's our next step. I'm going to get this a little bit wet and then just wipe down the faucet and the handles. And then I'm going to take the very same microfiber cloth and look how shiny that is. Super shiny. With hardly any time. And I can take these two that I used on the faucet in the mirror and then just wipe up all these little hairs from shaving. Get in the back. And just wipe down the whole countertop. And the perk with this is it smells good too. Smells nice and clean. Okay, while we're in the bathroom, I'm going to show you how you can use used dryer sheets in the shower. Okay, here's my shower floor. By the end of this video, you're gonna know how messy my house is. So I've been meaning to do this for a while. Do you see how it's turning a little bit orange in the corners? I'm going to take these dryer sheets And just get right here on the edges. Oh, look at that. And in the doorway, this is a good spot to use these dryer sheets. Even in this little track. Basically anywhere that needs a good scrub. Dryer sheets are great for dusting. I use this on my piano. Here's just a hutch. And look at all that dust. And the great thing about these dryer sheets is, see that dust? It sticks to it, especially if you get these a little tiny bit damp. Because if you use just a dry cloth, that dust doesn't stick to it. So you're just really just moving the dirt around. Another use for the used dryer sheets are blinds. Blinds are always dusty, and this is a good way to go. Oh, look how dirty these are. If you have the patience to go over each blind and get the dust off, that's really going to do a good job. Give this job to your kids. I wouldn't mind doing this if I'm in my bedroom watching TV or something. And also, besides the blinds, a windowsill. Look at that windowsill. Oh my goodness. Coco, look at all these flies. Man, in the winter, I just don't even open my windows in my bedroom. Look at all that dirt and flies and whatever else. And now, my windowsill is perfectly clean. So if you're not convinced to save your dryer sheets to clean the inside of your house, come out to your car, and if you have bugs on your car or some hard water stains, this is probably salt because I've been driving around in the snow. But if you take your used dryer sheet, it gets bugs off of your car. You know how sticky those are. I bet it's a good idea to wipe off these headlights once in a while because they get a lot of bugs and buildup. And then they don't shine as bright. So I'm going to take my used dryer sheets. Okay, give that a good wipe. And then I'm going to take my microfiber cloth, same one I've been using, and just go over that. Look how bright and shiny, sparkly that is. Well, now I'm coming in from wiping off my car and I see how dirty my door is coming in from the garage to the house. Let's try, I'm using the same 3 used dryer sheets that I used on my car. So they're a little bit dirty, but let's try this. Can you see that grime coming off? Check that out. Oh, that made a big difference. So after just a few seconds of scrubbing, that's what it looks like. I just recently painted my baseboards and I got a little bit carried away. So I want to show you with these used dryer sheets, I got them a little bit damp, and I'm just going to show you how it can take paint off of this LVP flooring without leaving any scratches. Just with a tiny bit of pressure, it took that paint right off, and I can even get clear up under this. Okay, here's some more paint on the LVP. That's quite a bit, but look how easy that came off. Here's some more paint on the floor. Can you see that? My dog actually came and got in my paint and then tracked it. Oh yeah, that was you, huh? You're so sweet. So here's some paint that I accidentally got on my LVP flooring while I was painting the baseboards. If I take my dryer sheet and just go over it a few times, just erases it. Wow, I just got a lot of cleaning done thanks to my used dryer sheets. I used almost all of the ones I had saved, but I got so much accomplished. A few things that I didn't demonstrate on this video that the dryer sheets are good for are, if you have deodorant marks on your clothes, you can just take a used dryer sheet and rub it and that will come off. If you have nail polish on, especially those hard to remove nail polishes like the glitters, you can use these. This has enough of the abrasiveness that it will take off that glitter nail polish with some nail polish remover. There are so many uses for these, so start saving your used dryer sheets and let me know what you use those for. It's so good to reuse and repurpose things, so I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you try it.